same time I'm also suffering from it. I discarded it. मैंने बंद करके ब्लॉक कर दिया पूरा वेबसाइट. ऐसा पहले होता था कि मैं दोस्तों के साथ भी ये करता था.
So my frequency is high. My frequency is high.
You were high. How was your week?
Good, bullshit, crap, everything. It was a mixture of everything.
That's like. हमने 10 मिनट 15 मिनट का पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग किया and then I realized that I have not been using my microphone all the time. Okay.
He is paying me extra.
No,
Yes.
I don't earn money from this shit. Okay. What are you doing in my talk show? Is it a talk show?
It is a talk show.
It is a talk show, guys. Now,
Yes.
Darshil is upgrading from podcast to talk show.
Yes.
Podcast are still
Already go
coming.
boom.
Podcast are still coming out. Anyways, so basically, what I thought was that instead of just telling on the podcast, I thought it would be a fun interaction to bring this dude into the picture so that we could have. So I thought that it would be good if we, sorry, if we could, if we have good, engaging, fun discussions with this guy, because I have fun discussions with my friends.
Thank you.
So
It's a pleasure.
yes, you should have pleasure. Okay, never mind.
I can safely say that I have pleasure due to Darshan now.
Okay,
Cut.
good. Okay, so let's start. Let's move on to the first segment of the talk show. We need a name for this.
Talk show.
No. Should we just name it talk show? No.
Land.
No, yes. Okay, let's let the audience decide what the name of the talk show will be. Suggestions, please.
Please.
Authority to Garibi.
Even chat
These
GPT
suggestions,
is
okay.
worried now.
Please, suggestions. Okay. Anyways, let's move on to the first segment of the talk show. That is gonna be क्या था discussion?
Weekly rewind.
Weekly review. How was your week?
Good, bullshit, crap, everything. It was a mixture of everything.
That's like.
No, honestly, it was very positive, negative, neutral, zero, boom, nothing.
You know, I have noticed this कि when people talk about their general life, ठीक है, what they talk about in their books or something or podcast or something,
Yes.
they talk कि तुम्हारा life ऐसा ऊपर नीचे जाएगा, right? मेरा week वैसे जाता है. Isn't this a
दिन ऐसे जाता है.
दिन नहीं, दिन it goes, दिन has a theme to it. Like आज का दिन अच्छा ही जा रहा है, आज का दिन बुरा ही जा रहा है.
Not
ऐसा.
for me. Honestly,
Unless I have a mood swing like I had yesterday. But
this week happened like I wake up in the morning. Either I do exercise or don't do exercise. That defines my morning.
Mhm.
I do the afternoon thing.
Mhm.
If that's good, what happens is in morning it's bad.
Mhm.
In afternoon it's good.
Mhm.
In night it's bad. My sleep is good. So it's a very my frequency is high. My frequency is high.
You are high. Yeah, okay, I get it though. My week goes like that day.
Yes.
कि कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा जाता है, 3 दिन मस्त जाता है, 3 दिन बहुत टटी जाता है, 3 दिन फिर से अच्छा जाता है, ऐसा. So yeah, anyways,
How was your week?
it was good, decent. First 3 days I was obsessed with YouTube for some reason. I don't know why. I don't even know if I should be talking about this on the talk show. Who cares?
No one cares.
Exactly. So I was for 3 days I was obsessed with YouTube. See, I was thinking about the constant ways I can improve my videos. Then the ways I can actually get more attention, more traction.
Sandeep Maheshwari mindset.
अरे वो like I was addicted to I was taking YouTube as a game. And I was addicted to it, and that's
Yes.
why I was hating it. But then I also realized that this is a way better addiction than getting addicted to games or anime or
Non-productive.
non-productive stuff. This is productive, but then there's also the flip side of the coin. Ki if I get addicted to YouTube, I lose the authenticity. I lose the creative mindset.
The
I
value,
lose,
honestly.
the value in the content. So I stopped using YouTube Studio. जिस पे views वगैरह दिखता है ना. I stopped using it for all the days till this talk show वाला दिन. ऐसा नहीं मैंने पूरा ही बंद कर दिया. बीच में
What a stop yourself.
नहीं stop. I was talking myself to my home page because my studio was blocked. हाँ इसको कितना है? I don't know.
इसको
Perks of being a YouTuber, bro. Anyways.
Agreed.
Anyways, so that 3 days they were shit. Then I stopped using the thing, so I was happy again. I was like in the moment again. I have been reading a lot, and then
What are you reading?
do you really want to know?
Yes.
How to Not Die Alone by Logan Ury. it's a good book actually.
Yeah.
It's about dating actually.
Have experiences with not judging the titles.
Oh, do not judge a book by its cover, huh?
Bad joke.
क्यों भाई? अच्छा था यार quote. Anyway, okay. Anyway, so
Yeah, what's
book
that?
about dating, but I didn't pick it up for dating specifically, obviously, because I'm into psychology. So
Definitely, bro. Definitely.
मैंने अरे हाँ I forgot to tell you about this. Okay, तो मैंने Wednesday, Thursday बैठ के 2 psycho thrillers binge किया है. Movies नहीं,
वेला है भाई तू.
books.
Damn, that's what I want to do with my life, bro.
अरे मैंने like 3.5 घंटे में पूरी बुक खत्म कर दी यार 250 पेजेस की.
That's good for that.
That's speed was good. And then I was like when I was reading, I'm also enjoying the content in the book, obviously. But then I'm also enjoying the psychological aspects of it because it's a psychological thriller.
Of course.
So why am I feeling these feelings? What words are evoking those emotions? What is the style that the author is using? Shit like that. So it's very fun to read psychological thrillers.
I
So,
haven't done. She suggests me. Suggest
मैंने
everyone.
never lie पढ़ी and then I read Silent Patient. So Silent Patient is very famous.
Okay.
And readers,
Okay.
like people who read fiction and shit, they love Silent Patient.
I should
Never
be ashamed.
like You don't like psychological thrillers.
No, I haven't read honestly. I like the genre as a whole.
Uh-huh.
I haven't read.
Okay. Well, anyways, you should. It's fun.
I
Anyways,
should do many things.
तो वो किया मैंने और फिर yesterday I went cycling
Nice.
and I explored dark alleys. कोई नहीं था रास्ते पे and I'm like, let's go dopamine, adrenaline, fun stuff.
How to die 101.
So अरे भाई मजा आता actually. You know that psychological
Yeah,
thing.
मजा आता है जब तक तुम भी मरते नहीं हो तब तक.
वो I think वो psychological जो books का था that poured over.
No, the thrill of the life.
हाँ, I was when
No, the rebel phase, the teenage phase.
Yes. So what?
How hypocritical we are talking about it being in that phase.
हाँ तो लाइक क्या हुआ मैंने लाइक कार पास हो रही है कोई या फिर बंदा पास हो रहा है ये kidnapper. ये kidnapper. दूर भागो.
Conspiracy.
अगर ये पास में आया तो मैं क्या करूंगा मैं साइकिल रोक के यूटर्न लूंगा नहीं बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा उसमें
उसको ही मारूंगा. Then there's like a action sequence going on in your brain.
boys is brains bro. So I that was fun and then मेरे को मूड स्विंग आ गया.
You okay, bro?
बॉयज को क्यों नहीं हो सकते होर्स
हो सकता है भाई.
You were talking about the
Yeah, in the last recording which got discarded. We talked about like the men's emotional cycle.
Emotional
Like I've heard about it कि like there's like phases. No meme template है ना कि men only have 4 moods.
हाँ
So see, honestly, if everyone experiences it, there should be some psychological reason behind it, like sad or depression, adrenaline, wholesomeness, love. Every man has these 4 emotions attached to them. in
love
some-
same shit no?
Huh.
Anyways.
Shut up. So if everyone is experiencing it, it's a mass effect, a mass phenomenon. Then there should be some science behind it.
Maybe. So
I wish
I
I can justify my bad mood now.
maybe you're with me.
Yeah, I'm with you. That's why it's triggering my bad mood.
I love
Sorry.
I'm so happy I नहीं यार क्या करना वीडियो के लिए अपन यार. Anyways.
So
Anyways, okay.
Yeah.
How was your week, Marco?
it was how do we? I learned
Padukone
many
vibes.
things.
हाँ.
Are you Deepika Padukone?
No, what the hell?
Thank you. I wish you.
अच्छा were you talking about the fan?
Which one?
Are you a Deepika Padukone fan?
Of course. I won't say you're Deepika Padukone, bro. I mean, Deepika Padukone.
No, okay. Anyways, okay. Let's move on.
Yeah. So, anyways, I was saying that there were many things happening together. I learned so much this week. I can literally write a book, which no one will read.
I will read it.
Thanks, man. So it was about self-control. It was about managing yourself, which is a huge deal nowadays because no one actually knows how to manage. Everyone reads, everyone researches, everyone watches self-help videos, everything. But when the situation comes, it's very hard to manage it.
Self-help is just the new kind of dopamine that you can get. Okay, I'm improving myself by
Self-help is Gen Z version of what my father would have said.
Yes.
Yeah,
Self-help
actually.
is just granny's advice in a book.
Yes, because Gen Zs are very hesitant to talk to their parents, to talk to their idols, real life idols. So
Continue.
the self-help is become their source of knowledge, their source of self-help.
Yes.
So I was saying,
So funny, bro. Our podcast, talk show, whatever.
so I learned about self-improvement, self-management, everything that I would have needed to
Yeah.
use.
Okay.
I should have used.
हाथ दिखने चाहिए.
So like I could have. I'm literally saying कि if I knew this like 1 year or 2 years before, this is me now. This I would have been at that. Yes. So it was really a good week.
तेरे को plot twist बताओ.
Mat.
ये hypothetical situations कभी सही नहीं होती.
Yes, I have stopped having hypothetical situations now.
ऐसा लगता है ना कि if I would have encountered this that time only, then I would be here. But you wouldn't be here if you wouldn't have encountered it that
Yes,
time.
that's the reason why I have zero regrets.
Yes.
कि जो चीज कल बुरी हुई उसकी वजह से मैं what if अगर अच्छा हो जाता मैं खुशी से घर जाता साइकिल से, मैं पागल जैसे गाड़ी चलाता, कोई आके मुझे ठोक देता.
Oh my god. Okay.
I have dwelled in this parallel multiverse, sorry.
Multiverse. Okay.
कि anything can happen. So what happened is good only.
Yes. It's like you need a bad thing to differentiate it from good.
हाँ.
You need bad people to know what good people look
Yes.
like.
Also, we need to be happy with bad people because we know what worse things can happen.
Yeah. Bad
So, yeah.
people, bad events, bad history.
So वैसे देखा जाए तो in a relative frame of reference, this week was a 10 on 10. In an objective frame was a reference, I would say a 7.5.
Going back to the back of the people, bad people, I guess that's why everyone else around me is improving. Okay, come on. You could have laughed on that. Maybe
How can your sense of humor be so bad? You're a YouTuber. Bro. You need a sense of
maybe
humor.
maybe I should be alone on this channel. That's at least better. People don't know about my
Bad
bad
sense.
humor.
They don't recognize it. It's so bad that only I can recognize it. You know, that high level of sensing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
अरे elaborate करना. I was sensing क्या?
See, like I have a good humor, objectively.
Uh-huh.
So I can tell what the bad humor is. And I've seen so many people having bad humor. Ki now I have adapted to bad humor. Thanks
Sometimes
to Darshana. Joking.
ठीक है. Okay, let's move on to the next section segment of the
Talk show.
talk show.
Talk show.
Talk show.
Talk show.
What is it called? Bozos be wondering.
Nice. What we can do is we can get our musician friends.
अरे मैंने already पुष्कर को बोला है.
Nice. We can literally create a theme.
Next talk show पे अच्छा सा ये आएगा. ठीक है?
Transition music, intro
Transition
music, outro music.
Yes, let's go.
Definitely not from NCS.
Okay. So let's.
Yeah, give me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So basically, this research, I won't say, this information is about psychology of Gen Z behavior.
Okay.
So when we
Gen Z is talking about Gen Z.
Yeah, Gen Z is
Very hypocritical, don't you think?
doesn't matter.
हाँ, ठीक है चल.
So,
we are more enlightened. Buddha.
So when we talk about Gen Zs, we basically think one thing that comes to our mind is Gen Z slangs.
Okay, sure.
Not all. So
Gen Z equals to Gen Z slangs, no?
agreed. Equivalency. Please don't
Equivalency.
use. I have learned about this equivalency.
Almost
slang.
equal to.
Almost. No, equivalency is like 3 dashes. That's better. So, two slangs I would like to talk about is FOMO, YOLO.
Okay, हाँ.
FOMO is what? Fear of missing
Yeah,
out.
missing out.
If we see that, basically, vocabulary of a generation shows the psychology, back of the mind thinking of the people.
Okay.
FOMO is like fear of missing out, fear of not being included. This small statement tells a lot about the generation. Ki,
Okay, you're saying that word itself was created because it was needed.
it I would say subconsciously aa gaya wo. People might not accept it, but like people want inclusivity so much कि they want to be included, like wannabe. There were no wannabes before Gen Z.
No, I think it's like, the need to be included is in us.
Yeah.
Prehistoric times.
But it is more expressed nowadays.
Yeah, because you don't get enough of it.
The attention seeking, the
It's not
inclusivity.
about attention. You can get 1 million posts and still feel lonely. Not 1 million posts, 1 million likes and still feel lonely. It's more about a wholesome, deep relationship with the people around you that you feel okay and you feel included.
If you have a deep relation, you won't need to be like FOMO'd with it, honestly. See, if
Exactly.
we are friends, you decide to do something
Mhm.
where I'm not included, maybe because any reason, you have a different friend group where I'm not included. If we have a good friendship, if we are on good terms, I don't need to be FOMO'd.
Mhm. Okay.
So it's like a sense of inclusivity where you might not even belong.
Maybe it's like
Loneliness.
it is loneliness, but it's also like wanting to be in other person's life so much.
Getting inspired from others' life. Social media idols, influencers. I'm not talking
Anyways,
about you.
Continue with the research.
Second one is YOLO. You only live once.
Mhm.
So basically, YOLO has become a defense mechanism
You live okay.
for lack of success, lack of hard work.
Oh, so which
People-
people are we talking about here?
I not like most of the youngsters I'm seeing, not small children.
No,
young-
but like youngsters are also different, na bhai.
I would say in an age group of 14 to 22.
Mindset wise,
Mindset wise,
party
mostly,
doers, job काम
not necessarily.
Okay,
There
so
are
everyone in the gen-
even students in top tier colleges or students who have actually started their startups, even they have YOLOs. Ki they have decided a task, they failed it. They don't want to accept it, they have failed it. They'll say YOLO, you only live once. It's fine if I failed.
Ah, okay.
It has become a defense
Coping
mechanism.
mechanisms.
Coping mechanism, right?
Yes.
And this has resulted into lack of direction of in Gen Z.
Okay.
This is a very huge issue. I have read research papers. I have seen videos on this that Gen Z people have a lack of directions more than I don't exactly remember the website. It's stated that many of them are averagely 45 to 50% Gen Z don't know what they want to do as their profession or as a source of income. What happens is that first thing is first, we have easy access to internet, which previous generation didn't have
Did not
much.
have.
Gen Z started basically the internet macro term मध्ये. So we have easy access. I want to search about, for example, AI. I searched AI, I'll get 1,000 results. Every result feels correct. We don't have any proper information or authentic information. So every result I see, I'll see this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. Eventually, there's an overload of information. We don't know what to do, right? Because in this age group, they are not very mature. They don't know everything. We also don't know everything. I agree to it. But कि overload of information से क्या हो जाता है कि they cannot recognize what to do. This leads to directionlessness. Is it right?
No, there's also this sense कि YOLO वाला feeling है. But I also think ना going deeper into the information, a lot of information part ना, there's this psychological phenomenon where when you have too many choices, you end up more miserable,
Yes,
right?
yes, agree.
So you have too many career choices, and you like a lot of things. And the current dogma is you need to perceive one thing, get good at it, earn from it, and then maybe you can explore
Yes.
other parts, right?
Sheltered algorithm.
That worked in the past, doesn't work anymore because now there's a lot of specialized people in the market, right?
Agreed.
But still, the lack of, let's say, a direction or something like that, anything related to that, would be because people have a lot of options in general.
Options, yes. Career options have boomed.
Yes.
Okay, so
And the problem with this is once you actually make a choice, after that you'll still keep feeling miserable that maybe the other choice would have been better.
regrets.
Previous times, अगर like 1900s की बात करें, या फिर something like that, 1900s, 2000.
2000.
2000 ठीक है, when there was not much of an like internet का पूरा boom नहीं था तब, ठीक है, क्या हो सकता है कि you choose commerce, you choose science, you choose arts,
Or anything.
or anything else in general, you choose it.
There's no going back.
There's no going back. हाँ कर लिया, उस टाइम गलती हो गई, हंस के छोड़ दिया, फिर आगे बढ़ना है अपन को ऐसा. Now you'll keep on feeling maybe I should have done that, but because you know a lot of information about that.
What if that we know what will happen, or like every day the stats change. I chose A over B. Next day I get to know B boomed. That's the huge regret.
Yeah, and it's also like the people 2000s वगैरह, middle classes वगैरह या फिर lower middle classes, they were not that well off. So the primary goal was to get into a college, get into a job, and people didn't care what way they got into a job, right? As long as the money is pouring in, they don't care. ऐसा. Now we are very well off, so we know.
We desire passion more than the financial stability.
I think everyone wants basic financial stability, but after that everyone is chasing for.
No, actually, if we see many of the people know that this particular field isn't very good of money. I have to arrange somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Still, because of the passion, they go.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are so many career options. Some are not
Research
even
in-
good.
One of the-
Research in India,
In
honestly
India.
speaking.
Huh.
Research in India, after even a PhD scholar in India has a JRF of this year, it has increased still like 47,000. A person who does a normal BTech can also earn more than that.
Yeah.
Engineers earn more than that.
पहला पैकेज है IIT बॉम्बे में 4 लाख का लगता है.
Huh.
That's
Like
around
47,000 stipend, and if we see that in foreign institutes like in America, in Japan,
Mhm.
in Germany, average stipend
Hmm.
with respect to PPP and with respect to purchase,
Power purchasing power
life,
parity.
quality of life.
Hmm.
Excluding all that and all the budget, everything, you can at least save 1.5 to 2 lakhs easily in research that, because there's a value of research. In India, the value of research isn't that.
Mm-hmm. And
That's why there is passion, there is no financial stability, honestly.
ठीक है.
90% of that. There are exceptions.
Hmm.
So next point is for lack of directions only.
Hmm.
Screen time is high. So this was a study conducted by New York Times and Talkers Research.
Hmm.
So 60% of people have at least 8 hours of screen time.
Oh, damn.
8 hours of screen time.
Damn.
Of course, it includes all the stuff.
तो
But
चार था ना शायद से 8 हो गया. बढ़िया भाई.
it increased. It
इस
increased
साल का डेटा है, इस साल का डेटा है.
from COVID to एक average data लिया from 2021 to this. Of course,
कोविड में
हाँ,
the
but still,
situation worsened.
so, and it's not like Gen Zs all see, most of the Gen Zs are below 18. Above 18 are like 3-4 साल के.
Yeah, they are in more the millennials वाले कैटेगरी में.
हाँ, so
25 के
जितने
ऊपर
भी-
millennials आते हैं.
हाँ, 24 above.
हाँ.
So most of them are kids. They don't have a job. They don't. Most of them, I'm saying, there are
Gen Beta भी
exceptions.
आ गया पता है.
हाँ, 2024 this year.
हाँ.
Anyways.
Damn.
So most of them don't have work, they don't have job. When they बैठे हैं, what will they do? Time pass. 8 hours का using of social media. 8 hours. उससे क्या होता है? First things first, idolizing social media influencers.
Always.
See, like there are people who show only the good things, and people idealize it.
Mhm.
For example, there's no, honestly,
Nobody idolizes me, bro.
I do, bro. I do. So there are many things that people idolize, and this has resulted in, for example, there's social media influencer who is not only just a influencer, he's also doing, for example, he's an architect.
Mhm.
He will show the good things, he will also show the bad things. I'm not saying everyone does that. But जो भी कोई एक teenager देख रहा होगा, he'll only be influenced by the good things. He'll take the decision architect बनना है.
Mhm.
He'll watch another YouTuber who is maybe an engineer, who is maybe a doctor, who is maybe a forensic researcher.
Courses भी तो कितने आते हैं ना ads के?
Courses आते हैं, there are ads, there
Stock market के वगैरह हैं.
free courses रहते हैं YouTube पे. There's this continuous loop of ये करना है, वो करना है, ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी अच्छा है, वो भी cool है. क्या पता ये अच्छा होगा. फिर they dive deeper. I'm sorry. And like एक ही loop में फंसे रहते हैं कि ये करना है, वो करना है. But they don't actually realize कि एक चीज भी करने जाओगे ना, it's very hard to do it. So एक तो idolizing social media.
You don't got much of a choice हर जगह.
Yes. So this is based on a principle. What was his name? I'm sorry. Rene Girard. He's a French philosopher. There's also a book. I don't remember the name. Sorry, I don't remember. I'll put it there on the video on my face.
Okay.
कि mimetic desires करके एक है.
Nomadic.
हाँ, most of our desires, most of हमारी जो इच्छाएं रहती है, they are based off on others' lifestyles.
This is so much similar to what I have been consuming yesterday. कि I was reading a post by Dan Ko. He's a writer. ठीक है.
Okay.
He has built a business on writing. Like he's a $1 million figure. ठीक है.
Okay, done.
And the post was about original thinking and how you can bring out original ideas. And the post starts with there are no original ideas. Everything you know has
It's
been
common.
already said, and you're just saying it in a different way. And
Yes.
just saying it in a different way, maybe somebody will listen to you.
And this is what matters in this area. How you present yourself,
ideas.
the soft skills. Because in an era of automation, AI, machine learning, basically what with jobs will ask for is soft skills. Negotiation, presentation, talking, presenting.
As long as humans remain in the authoritarian positions, I mean.
Let's not talk about that. Next talk show. Next talk show.
Okay.
So mimetic desires. We see, just as I talked, we see someone, we get influenced by them, we pursue their goal.
Mhm.
That's one thing because of lack of direction. Also, due to this, same research I'm talking about, 66% of Gen Z agree that they spend too much time on social media watching others do what is not useful for them.
That is true. You know, one comparison that I had made in my podcast, पिछला रोनित के साथ था ना उसमें, Mark Zuckerberg doesn't have 20,000, 30,000
Yes,
people
absolutely.
working with him. He has कितना था?
I don't know.
How many? Instagram has billion users, Facebook has billion users, और उनके जो भी major products होंगे. So 1 billion, 2 billion people working for him because they are watching his videos,
Yes.
and advertisement companies want people
Agreed.
to consume the videos. That shit. Very interesting.
So 66% say they use too much of it. 52% of people say that social media is the reason why they are sad.
Okay.
They're literally blaming it on social media.
And
now.
they're still on social
And
media.
they're using social media to express their sad due to social media.
Oh my god.
Hypocrisy. Even Darshil does that. See, you said, bro, you are too obsessed with YouTube and you're saying it on YouTube.
Makes sense.
It's not bad completely, I'm saying.
It's a learning experience.
It's a learning, but sometimes
bound
it
to
goes
happen
bad.
at some time. Obviously.
Most of the time it goes bad.
Yeah, obsession goes bad.
One of though what this research talk about is first thing is lack of direction, second thing is lack of social validation seeked by Gen Zs. Okay, so seeking likes, followers, appreciations. Best example I've seen is iPhone craze in India. In 2023, 90 lakh iPhones were sold in India. Out of which 60%, which makes like 55 lakhs iPhones, were sold in tier 2 and tier 3 cities.
Damn.
That figures like 55%, like 60 lakh iPhones in tier 2 and tier 3
Mangal had
cities.
made a video on this, no?
Yeah.
Gen Z show off culture.
Something, yeah, I have seen that before, and also I've seen a research paper related to that. I think it was Forbes ka research paper. Tha.
Nice.
Then a 2020 study published in Current Psychology found that participants tend to attribute socially desirable personality traits to physically attractive individuals.
Hey, that has always existed. Mostly, I mean.
Okay.
Because someone who looks good, we psychologically believe that they have other good qualities
But-
also, and they're a good person.
Yes, it has existed. It has existed, I would say, from prehistoric era. But this has become like, this has shaped the social validation now. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले if someone looked good, we would believe in them, nothing else. Like if you see even politics in India before 2000s, then Rajiv Gandhi, right? He was one of the most like kind of a national crush back then. If you read newspapers, there are articles like that.
Okay.
People going mad over
He
his
had
books.
hair back then.
No, actually, he was like an idol, but there was no shaping of their own social validation like that. But it has been now, like someone looks good, we attach our desires to, like we attach what are good moral desires to them, and then we seek validation like that only. कि ये किया मैं अच्छा दिखूंगा, people will attach the moral good things to me, and then I'll get validation. This has been shaped now. What I'm saying, not completely, but yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then a 2020 report found that owning iPhone made people 76% more likely to be right swiped on dating apps.
Right. Oh my god, damn.
And it's not just in India, it's a worldwide survey, mostly in America.
Oh yeah. बाकी देशों में तो वो स्टिग्मा रहता है ना कि if you're using
If you're
Android,
using
you suck.
Android, you suck. Yeah.
अभी इंडिया में तो गरीब है तो Android ही चलता है भाई.
But India, this is worldwide. What about in India? It is even crazier.
क्या?
People get iPhones just to look cooler, just to get social validation, just to get right swiped on Tinder.
वो है ना ऐसा किसी की Lamborghini दिख के तो फोटो डालते हैं.
Exactly. I just saw 3 people like that today coming here.
Oh my god.
So, and despite, wait. Also, 76%, just as I said, have iPhone users have more chances of getting right swipe. There was one study which between iPhone users and Android users, personality traits similar.
Okay.
No differences.
No differences.
No differences.
Still the
It's just the iPhone logo that makes people go crazy.
Damn.
Like, and see, 66.
Steve Jobs cooked.
60% iPhones are in India are bought in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Out of that, I would say not completely based on research, but 70 to 80% of there are on EMIs.
Oh, damn.
Just think about it. You cannot afford today's meal.
And still you're buying an iPhone.
Still, you're buying an iPhone just for the social validation.
Damn.
That defines what Gen Z is honestly now.
Yeah, I think that's so deeply ingrained that if you go again back to our parents' age, what would be a good way to show off? Having good marks.
Having a good,
Nobody cares if you have a good car. Everyone else does not. So you are
Yes.
the odd one out here. So shut
Yes.
up. But now, everyone has phones. Everyone has a lot of information.
even if they are not good enough, they have it.
या एवरीवन मेरे को खुद को हुआ है कि मैं इंस्टाग्राम देखता था ना आई यूज्ड टू सी माय फ्रेंड्स हैंगिंग आउट इन प्लेसेस वगैरह दांडिया नाइट्स वगैरह मैं तो घर पे हूँ भाई मैं तो कुछ नहीं किया तो वो आई रियलाइज दैट आफ्टरवर्ड्स कि आई एम आल्सो गेटिंग अफेक्टेड द सेम एवरीवन एल्स इज सो आई क्विट
Getting caught in the matrix.
yes okay
So, and yeah, basically that lack of direction, lack of social validation, the people's aptitude towards social validation. कि अगर likes मिल जाए तो कितना अच्छा. See, like think about it. Why would someone post their personal photos? Except the fact, like for example, people blog. They just want to share what they want to speak.
yeah
Personal photos, personal events. Why do they think they share?
Because they
Just for
want people
social
to-
validation.
मेरी वैन में मैं बैठता हूँ ना बच्चे डिस्कस करते हैं कि मेरी इस पोस्ट पे इतना लाइक मिला उसने मेरी पोस्ट नहीं देखी यार उसने मेरी पोस्ट को लाइक नहीं किया लाइक किया फिर डिसलाइक करके भाई मैंने बोला भाई इन लोगों के प्रॉब्लम से कितना नेक्स्ट लेवल गया है
The priorities are changing.
priorities have changed already they should change again to actually good priorities
Yeah.
these are not good priorities
Definitely, social media has shaped this generation
Oh.
not in the best way possible.
it's like there's this cycle going on okay the priorities that we had back अपने parents की generation में let's say their priorities were to get money
Get money,
हाँ,
get settled,
हाँ,
have a good
हाँ,
family.
those were good priorities because
Yes.
they improved them
Huh. Not direct, even they didn't have the direct targets. Ki, I have to get a good health. I have to get a good financial stability till this. I want this, like in a self improvement that we do. They didn't have it. They still got it.
yeah so the cycle I was talking about is great men create weak
Yes.
weak men
Strong men create weak times.
हाँ weak times create strong men ऐसा कुछ तो right
हाँ.
so that's what I'm saying कि पिछले साले 10-20 साल से लोगों ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है
We said it opposite. Strong men create good times. Good times create weak men.
Okay.
Weak men create bad times, and bad times create strong men.
Yes, exactly. So, 10-20 साल पहले there were no means to actually empower yourself other than actually working at a job. Now you have internet. Now you can do tons of shit. ठीक है. So basically, those men did their work right. Now we have better problems now.
Yes.
But now because of that, we are still suffering. So
Very much.
so now I think. Do you think now we'll be suffering through weaker times?
I think what is happening is जैसे जैसे generations आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ना, polarity बढ़ रही है.
Yeah.
There are
बढ़ती जाएगी और.
हाँ, like see, for example, last generation compared to this generation, millennials compared to Gen Zs. Some Gen Zs are exceptionally so good.
Yeah.
They're very better than
Yeah.
millennials. Now we haven't seen it yet because
But it's
because
just like
workforce में नहीं
intuition.
enter
हाँ,
है. हाँ,
intuition.
एक intuition. But कुछ Gen Zs इतने घटिया है, इतने घटिया है.
कुछ Gen Zs.
हाँ, like एक पोलैरिटी बढ़ते जा रही है कि एक तो you're very good, एक तो you're very bad. There is like no middle ground. वैसे मिलियंस के साथ कैसे था कि you're good, you're bad, but there are some people की like हम नहीं कह सकते यार ये इतने अच्छे इतने बुरे हैं. अब कह सकते हैं. And it's like ये भी बढ़ते जा रहा है कि if you're good, you're very good. In Gen Z's good, the
Good is
smart,
just.
like you can see the smart people in this generation. There are boom, their brain works differently.
Yeah,
And-
you see 13-year-olds making $1 million startups, man. वो था AI.
हाँ.
हाँ. 15-year-old I think she is right now. She's in America. उसका मैंने podcast सुना था.
Okay.
इसका Sing with USA का करके.
हाँ,
उसके
yes,
अंदर पूरा podcast सुना. She started an AI company basically by I don't exactly remember, but it was research का AI था, basically. So it was a good thing. I'm like, damn, bro, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, bro? मेरे
Buy me a Lamborghini.
Okay.
So that's the polarity increasing basically.
Anyways, I think we're
Yeah.
done with the segment.
Yeah.
We have
How bullshit Gen Z. We'll also make
both was wondered. Huh?
we'll also make one segment where we talk about the good things about Gen Z.
Yes, next time for sure.
Yes, definitely.
Let's go.
Nice.
Okay. Let's move on to the next
segment.
Next segment of the
Talk show.
What is the name of the segment?
Whenever you say talk show, ना put that like rainbow talk show as fit of
Talk show.
PewDiePie का meme review का कैसे आता था वैसे talk show and in rainbow wobbly.
Okay, sure, done. Okay, talk show.
Bad transition.
Anyways. So let's start with the
Next segment.
next segment, bloopers of life, which is basically where we'll be discussing the mistakes or some insights that we got from our week past.
Yes.
जो भी किया हमने.
Okay, so please start.
I have an experience to share, bro. I have observed ना कि पिछले 6-7 महीनों से कि
Damn, that observation is
कि I keep getting the mood swings that I talked about at the start of the episode, right? मेरे को जब आता है ना इतना बुरा आता है कि I think everything is meaningless. I mean, I know deep down that everything is not meaningless, but I'm still कि नहीं भाई ना मुझे नहीं ऐसा. So why are you so smug suddenly?
No. Active energy. Ooh.
Anyways, so फिर क्या हुआ? I have realized कि जब मेरे को mood swing हो जाता है, for 3 to 4 days I'm suffering from that shit because my ideal moral
has been
system.
ruined.
No, my moral system goes bullshit.
What do you exactly mean by moral system? I'm not-
See, like what is the default thinking stage? कि मुझे ये achieve करना है, तो मुझे इसके लिए ये काम करना है, and I'm motivated to do it. At one time I'm like नहीं यार, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यार अपना यार, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा. And then it took me time, used to take me time to actually get myself up
Get
again.
back in.
हाँ, 4 दिन लग जाते थे मेरे को आराम से. And then ना पहले for like first 5 times I think I was like ठीक है यार मैं कर रहा हूँ. I'm like this happens. I'm a little bit dynamic. Who cares? ऐसा करके.
Okay.
Then after that I was like nah. ये बहुत ज्यादा टाइम कॉस्ट कर देता है. 4 दिन चले जाते हैं हफ्ते के भाई.
Bad.
हर हफ्ते में नहीं होता बट मंथ
Monthly, monthly.
बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स ओके. तो वो हो रहा मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि भाई ये तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट है. तो व्हाट यस्टरडे सेम शिट हैपेंड रैंडम मूड से भैया. what this time I did was I golf का गेम है हम लोग लौंडे मिलकर खेलते हैं हमारे क्लास में. ठीक है
लौंडे मिलके गोल्फ खेलते हैं. It explains a lot.
15 मिनट का ब्रेक रहता है उसमें 14 मिनट हम लोग गेम खेलते हैं. 1 मिनट सर की पिचिंग करते हैं.
No bro, I don't subscribe to this notion if anyone is watching.
No, I'm just kidding. So 14 मिनट गेम खेलते हैं अपन. That is true. तो चांस पांच ऐसे पास करके हम लोग गेम खेलते हैं. That game is very simple. बॉल लेने गए उसको यू हैव टू पुल इट बैक लाइक अ स्लिंग शॉट एंड थ्रो इट.
yes.
बॉल जाता है. इतना ही है पूरा गेम. फिर भी हम लोग खेलते हैं. तो मैं वो गेम वैन में खेलता था और फिर मैं डिलीट कर देता था बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट इट एज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन इन माय डे राइट. मैंने क्या किया होगा आई डाउनलोडेड दैट गेम. आई पुट ऑन माय हेडफोन्स पूरा म्यूजिक लगा के 1 घंटा मैंने गेम खेला. वो यू स्टार्ट विद 200 रुपीज. I went on to 30,000 rupees.
Please do this in real life, bro. I'll give you 200.
तो रुपीज नहीं मतलब जो भी कॉइन्स वगैरह. तो बट एटलीस्ट 1 hour में मेरा मूड फिक्स हो गया. नॉट जस्ट फिक्स्ड, आई फेल्ट okay now. So
New cope-up mechanism.
no, yes, new coping mechanism. Indeed. So that's one thing I learned through the week, and also the sensitive wala part, addiction, obsession with YouTube wala part. I learned. I think it's not a new learning. I always do that. कि when I'm feeling
Observation, you took it serious, basically.
observation, हाँ वो तो है ही. But then again, what I have observed now, कि when I'm having an unpleasant experience, I discard that shit. So that's a very Gen Z thing to do.
Okay. Not caring about it.
Yeah, I
No,
just
Ulta, it's unlike Gen Z's.
What?
Because Gen Z is the generation who is the most has the most aptitude to seek mental health therapy.
हाँ therapy. Yeah.
So it's the unlike of Gen Z that you are discarding it.
No, it's more like what I do is when I think अभी YouTube studio was becoming very क्या बोलते हैं headache for me.
Yeah.
कि यार कि इतना सारा देख रहा हूँ मैं मुझे मजा भी आ रहा है but at the same time I'm also suffering from it. I discarded it. मैंने बंद कर दिया ब्लॉक कर दिया पूरा वेबसाइट. ऐसा पहले होता था कि मैं दोस्तों के साथ भी ये करता था.
ऐसा साइड में ऐसा स्क्रीन को छोटा करो ऐसा लिखो if they are troubling you discard them Darshit 2025.
ना देखो अभी रियलाइज हो कि shit that's such a toxic and bad thing to do कि I mean see if they're being toxic then you should show
Definitely.
research.
They were not being toxic.
They-
You were being toxic.
I was the one toxic in yeah, these guys are boring now I don't want to so
Content कम मिल रहा था.
now I feel very क्या बोलते हैं bad for doing that so
Maturity.
maturity embarrassment same time ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. Now I don't do it.
Good, bro, that's
yes
good.
yes
Very good. I'm proud of
so
you.
that was the
The
Bloopers of the week.
It wasn't basically 7 महीने का ऑब्जर्वेशन था.
बट मजा आया वो अच्छा किया मैंने एक चीज लाइक
Yes, yes.
आफ्टर पॉइंट आई वाज
It feels good कि जो मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने आज का टारगेट किया लाइक 100 क्वेश्चंस करने पढ़ाई के,
लाइक
70 ही हुए. तब जितना अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, मतलब ठीक है 70 हुए, पर अगर मैंने एक गलती थी उसको सुधारा तो उससे जितना खुशी मिलती है ना भाई.
बिकॉज देन यू फील कि आगे वाले में गलती रिपीट नहीं करने
हाँ.
वाला, सो इट विल बी अ मोर स्मूदर प्रोसेस.
A good butterfly effect. कि what if I wouldn't have सुधारा this, bad things would have happened. But now I fixed this. Now
No shit.
multiverse. My blooper of the week was consistency.
Okay.
So I have set an alarm. I am very bad at waking up. Till 10, I have woke up at like 7:45. I had to go out of my home. I would wake up at 7:30. Very bad habit. And recently, not recently, like 6 months, 6 months, like 4 months, I started waking up at 4. Very hard for me initially. I have set up like app है कि alarms है, उठो वो बजता रहता है, कुछ तो उस पे करना है.
I have used this for math problem रहता है कुछ तो रहता
मैथ
है.
प्रॉब्लम रहता है. एंड देयर इज अ बारकोड कि आई स्लीप आउटसाइड, बेडरूम में जाओ, लैपटॉप खोलो, बारकोड
और
पासवर्ड डालो.
कौन सा ऐप है ये?
आई विल सेंड यू.
नाम डाल देंगे इधर.
हाँ, नाम डाल देंगे प्ले स्टोर पे से. सो वी हैव टू स्कैन दैट. एंड एक तो घटिया है, एक तो स्कैन नहीं होता जल्दी से, क्योंकि लैपटॉप पे वो स्क्रीन का मैच नहीं होता ना,
वो थोड़े
स्कैन नहीं होता
beeps
और
आते
वो
हैं.
बजता रहता है, ट्रॉन्ग ट्रॉन्ग ट्रॉन्ग. घर वाले उठ गए ना,
हाँ वो होता
दैट्स
है.
अनदर टेंशन. सो उससे जल्दी उठ जाता हूँ. और उसके लिए वहां पे एक फीचर क्या है कि अगर तुम्हें बारकोड नहीं मिल रहा तो एक बटन दबा के कुछ तो करना रहता है कि उससे वो बंद हो जाता है. एंड आई यूज दिस, एक्सप्लॉइटेड दिस फॉर लाइक लास्ट 2 days. उठता हूँ, बहुत नींद आती है, लाइक आई हैव बीन टायर्ड दिस वीक, सो कि नींद आती है, सो जाता हूँ. 2 दिन से एक्सरसाइज नहीं किया, 2 दिन से अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं की, इसलिए क्या होता है पाइल अप हो गया. सो दिस वीक हैज टॉट मी सो मच अबाउट कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे मेंटेन करें, चीजें मैनेज कैसे करनी की. इस वीक का जो शेड्यूल था हेक्टिक,
Asterisk.
so it was very hectic. तो मैनेज कैसे करना है कि I can literally become someone's PA now. इतना मैनेजिंग सीख लिया होगा.
अरे
इतना नहीं,
सेम शेड्यूल मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता है. मैं इतना नोशन यूज करता हूँ ना, and
हाँ
इतना
एग्जैक्टली,
productive use
यूज
करता हूँ.
नोशन गाइस.
Yes, use Notion.
नो स्पॉन्सरशिप,
No sponsorship.
दे दो.
दे दो. But हाँ मैं भी कभी करता डैम मैं कितना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रह
Like
पाता
I use Notion for task management, for scheduling, even for studies I am using Notion.
मैं अलग अलग चीजें यूज करता हूँ. मैं शेड्यूलिंग के लिए कैलेंडर यूज कर रहा हूँ नोशन का.
हाँ,
नोशन
yes,
में
yes.
डेटा स्टोर कर रहा हूँ मैं, अलग ही चीज है. वन नोट यूज नहीं करता, नोशन में डेटा स्टोर.
Notion is good actually.
नोटपैड यूज करता हूँ मैं प्रोडक्ट.
I use Notepad. Notepad is the real OG.
लाइक डेली टास्क है ना, नोटपैड पे लिखने का क्या है,
मैं
फिर
पढ़ने
वो डालने
बैठूंगा,
का.
स्टिकी नोट विकी नोट कौन लिखता बैठेगा भाई.
Notepad.
नोटपैड पे लिखते रहूंगा. अगर मैं alt tab भी करने गया कि बोर हो रहा है, फोकस हिल रहा है, alt tab करने गया, नोटपैड ही बच जाता है. अरे यार इतना सब करना भाई, चलो चलो. So yeah, I learned consistency, management and how to basically कि
मैंने ये
उठना
सेम
है.
ऐप किया था पहले. इट वाज एन ऐप जिसमें ना वो मैथ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का मैंने रखा था. सो मेरा एक्चुअली ये बढ़ रहा था, कैलकुलेटिंग पावर स्पीड बढ़ रहा था, बिकॉज मैं देखता था हाँ 7 into 9 लास्ट डिजिट्स है तो इनका ये होगा,
हाँ,
मैं ट्राई कर
exactly.
रहा हूँ. पर ना वो ऐप क्या करता था, इफ आई गेट वन रॉन्ग वो सारे ये रिवाइंड कर देता था.
हाँ टेल मी
Options.
दैट, क्योंकि मेरे साथ मेरे ऐप में क्या हो रहा है, मेरा मैंने दबाना यूज की रिपीटेड प्रॉब्लम्स है. मेरे को आंसर की पता है कि इसका ये करना है, इसका ये करना है, पहले से 10 सेकंड लगते हैं, 2
मैं
सेकंड
तो
में.
ढूंढ के डालता हूँ ऐप, ठीक
हाँ,
है.
okay.
तो वो होता था, द ऐप वाज सो बुलशिट कि वो ना धीरे धीरे वॉल्यूम बढ़ाता था, पता है.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, या सेम फीचर.
अरे भाई मेरे को लगा अभी घर वाले उठ जाएंगे यार, चिल कर यार.
वो अलग टेंशन होता है.
तो मैं क्या करता था, ऐसा बाहर निकलता था, ऐप से फिर से जाता था, तो वो फिर से जीरो से शुरू होता था वॉल्यूम. इतने चोचले करने पड़ते थे एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व
नहीं, but it helps me. I mean, I'm ready to take that much work
हाँ.
to wake up and exercise.
मैं तो छोड़ दिया हूँ सब. मैं क्या करता हूँ, रात को 11:30 बजे सोता हूँ, 5:30 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. सो आई एम लाइक
Good, very good. मेरा 1 घंटा पहले, मैं 10 बजे सो के 4 बजे, 1.5 घंटा पहले.
हाँ. सो मैं 4 बजे उठता हूँ ना, तो मेरे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं रहता, बिकॉज आई वेक अप एंड आई एम लाइक क्या
Call me,
करूँ,
bro. I will tell you what to do.
क्या करूँ मैं. मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है.
What is life?
यस.
What is this for?
Ideally-
Why am I doing this?
आइडियली पीपल स्टडी सुबह सुबह उठ के,
मैं तो-
बट हाँ तो मुझे नहीं पढ़ना सुबह सुबह. पढ़ने बैठता था हेडेक लगता है मेरे को बहुत.
Yes, sluggish.
हाँ. तो इंस्टेड मैं बोलता रहना था अपन सोते हैं, उठेंगे तो मेरे को वैसे भी 6 बजे तक लाइक आई हैव टू स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेडी और आई विल बी लेट. तो एनीवेज मैं 5:30 बजे उठ जाऊंगा, तो आई डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम टू थिंक क्या करना है, जस्ट गो एंड डू इट ऐसा. तो इसलिए मैं नहीं उठता सुबह.
ऑल्सो वन थिंग, मैंने ये इस हफ्ते का बहुत घटिया ब्लूपर था। उठूंगा, वो अलार्म वालाम बंद करूंगा, बारकोड भी स्कैन कर लूंगा,
हाँ।
वापस आके सो जाऊंगा और फोन पे ऐसा अलार्म लगाऊंगा 2 मिनट का टाइमर
हाँ।
बजेगा, उठेगा, फिर उठ जाए पढ़ लूंगा।
हाँ।
वो 2 मिनट का टाइमर मैं मिनिमम 10-12 बार हर दिन, अब कल तो 10-12 बार तो लगाया ही होगा।
हाँ।
और फिर सो गया, आज सुबह लेट भी हो गया मुझे उसकी वजह से ऑनेस्टली।
Bro, मैं ये करता था, मैं ऐसे 6 बजे उठने का टाइम अलार्म लगाया, उसको जाओ 6-5 का अलार्म फिर से लगाओ सो जाओ।
स्नूज बट एडवांस वर्जन।
हाँ तो मैं कभी स्नूज यूज ही नहीं करता था, I don't know why.
आई डोंट नो हाउ आई पीपल यूज स्नूज ब्रो, कि अलार्म लगाए तो उठो ना, उठ के वापस सो जाओ, वो पता लगे।
मैं इधर रहता हूँ ना, मेरा बेड उधर है, तो मैं
रूम टूर रिक्वायरमेंट ब्रो।
I guess guys tell me if you want a setup tour.
नो वन विल टेल मी।
Sure. Anyways, that's been the bloopers of our week.
Yeah.
Very fun actually.
वेरी लर्न।
Bloopery.
Actually,
Actually talk show अच्छा है because then
Yeah.
we can rewind our week.
हाँ ना यार, वापस वो नोशन में पढ़ते
सारे
बैठते
जो चूड़ियां ऐसे घुसेंगी।
पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा, देख देख।
देख पिछले वीक में कितना कुश्ता पढ़ाई करके देख अब क्या कर रहा है।
Yeah, so very entertaining week, honestly.
मजा आया।
Yes.
Okay. Finally, let's move on to the final segment.
Accent, accent.
British. Do you want me to talk in a British?
Oh, that's a very stereotypical accent.
Okay. I want.
I don't subscribe to this notion also.
Even I don't.
You do, bro, you're white.
Do you want me to talk in British?
I'm going with
Sorry, yaar. Anyways, next segment of the talk show.
Yes.
Question of the week.
You don't have any questions.
Okay, we don't have any questions.
You know, the excitement जो excite हुआ नहीं होगा भाई।
वैसे ही flow.
हाँ, flow गया और boom, question ही नहीं है।
Yeah, so guys,
If you don't want this to happen,
जानबूझ के डाला है ये segment. Questions डालो.
please.
We need questions. If we don't have questions, we'll just continue with the blooper
हाँ,
of the
कुछ
week.
और कर देंगे। और बहुत टैलेंट है भाई के पास।
Yes. Very talented we both.
Yes, सीढ़ी बजा।
It was a fun discussion, talk
Yeah,
show.
good discussion, very
Please.
helpful.
Please stay tuned for the next one. Next week I
Comment how did you feel about this?
Yes.
क्या क्या improvements हो सकती है?
feedback.
Feedback loop, you know, AI, machine learning.
And also क्या बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन डालो यार.
हाँ यार,
ऐसा ना कुछ just some questions
एक
that
तो डाल दो।
questions that you want us to discuss, like general open statements that you feel we should discuss.
Or
मजा आया.
something data that you want us to discuss.
Yes, fun
Even
stuff.
that's good.
Yes, fun stuff. We need fun stuff. Okay,
Yes.
fun questions. So let's end it.
Nice.
Sorry,
That's why I say his humor is good.
I am.
Bro is seeking social validation.
Oh, maybe I am. मेरे को क्या लगा कि like इस बंदे को ऐसा अपन ये ट्रीट कर रहे हैं as a third person in the conversation, so he should get a hand.
Everyone knows कि और 10 लोग देख रहे हैं। नहीं, actually, we are ending this. By we are
Sorry.
Yapaholics.
Yes. Thanks for joining in, guys. Bye bye.
Nice.